Well, a little bit of an update. Civic's back on the ground. Needs a little bit of work still. But I thought I'd show this newest project, the Subaru. Pretty ambitious. It's getting gutted. And if you can't see, floor cutout. That's a pretty big transmission. It's gonna hurt a lot of feelings. It's gonna piss some people off, but these are Subaru parts. Jesus. Of course, it's pouring rain out. I love it. Woo! Jesus. This is an LS swapped Subi. She's bolted in. It's getting ready for her first fire pretty quick here, but it's gonna be an ultimate sleeper, and we're gonna hurt a lot of feelings. It's my brother's project, but helping him out a bit. Once we get it close enough, I should probably be able to take video of the first fire, and it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a wild ride. But when she's together, you'll never know. Never know there's a V8 in there. We're gonna keep it pretty lame looking for a while with rust everywhere, and then she'll get built. It'll look cool. For first season, it's gonna piss a lot of people off.